Hello guys, welcome back to the nursery with myself, Tim. We're here after a very busy week. We're back in the glasshouse. There's lots of bits missing, lots of bits gone for potting, lots of bits after being pulled asunder for to assemble orders, and we have an awful lot with the bit of heats after bringing on a lot of product, and I'm going to show you a few of those that we've picked out for you. I'd like to start with the dahlias. So this particular one is Dreamy Lips, and you can just see how lovely and full the plants are. They're in great condition, and I count at least 10 buds there, almost ready to pop. A couple of new varieties completely for us this year are some of the Osteospermum. So I've got a couple of colours in this. So this is the Cape Daisy, this is Mazaru. You'll see a couple of others on the list, so there's quite a few. Also back on the list are starting the Agraranthemums. So again, 4 colours available there in those, and again they're very full, and buds are ready to pop on those as well. Our crops of Dianthus have also come ready, so I've just picked out 2 here. So we've got a nice white one there, which is Memories. You can just see that there's plenty of foliage forming, or buds forming on top of the foliage there on those. And we also have one here, which is Cracker, and in my opinion also another lovely sort of a red, sort of on the slightly orange side of red. 2 new ferns that I'd like to just point out. So we've got Dryopteris walchiana, which is a very nice upright fern, and it's got some really nice dark hairs on the fronds and the base there. And I also have a nice Cryptomium fortunei, which again very unusual as well, a nice upright habit on that one too. So 2 ferns I think you should keep an eye on your lists. Also 2 nice batches of Xanthidicius. So I've got Crowborough and I've got the Snow White. So these particular ones are very nice and really full down at the base, and good quality foliage on those as well. A lovely batch out there at the moment of Dicentra spectabilis, the Bleeding Heart. So you can just see the nice colour and the amount of flower that's on that there. Again, nice and showy and good for those benches. The peonies have already surfaced too. So one that I'll show you here is Bowl of Beauty. So a nice 2-toned flower, nice white centre, surrounded by pink petals. So again, also very good quality in those. Some nice Candelabra primula. So this is the white one. So you can just see that this is the white version of Miller's Crimson. So Miller's Crimson's out there as well. So these have come on quite a bit in the last number of weeks, so they've added onto the list as well. Also some Doronicum, Doronicum Little Leo still available on the list. A nice batch of these out there, all ready to go, showing nice colour, and very good garden plant. 2 new anemones on the list. So these are very popular. So we've got Wild Swan, so that's the front, and we've got the back petal, has that lovely sort of purple petal on the back, and there is a semi-double version of Ruffled Swan. So this again has the same characteristics, and you can see as well, front of foliage is green and back of foliage also has that lovely purple twinge to it also. As I go down along the bottom here, just picking up a few as I go, guys. We've got some nice Geranium Roseanne, so they're again really nice quality as well, and the Azure Rush as well, slightly paler type colour to that particular geranium. Favourite of mine on the nursery is one of these Regerscias, and this particular one is Bronze Peacock. I love the foliage flower plants more so than really showy flower, so this is right down my street, and these have these lovely sort of almost Acer type sycamore style foliage, but get nice and big, almost the size of your hand by times. So these very nice contrast to green foliage in the garden. Another one for a good contrast to green foliage will be this newest Dilby. So this particular one is Chocolate Shogun, and this is a very good variety. This has lovely dark foliage like this, and this will be topped off with some nice white flowers come the season, and again very good garden plant. A couple of other Dilbies you'll notice have come on the list, so a few others, the likes of the usual Finale, Peach Blossom, we all know these, and you can just see how good the foliage are on those, and good growth, and they've also started to form flowers on the top as well. There's a couple of others there like Earlicht and Sprite. You'll check the list for those and you'll see that they're all there. So I also have some nice sedum. So this particular one is Autumn Joy, so you can just see nice sturdy foliage, and that'll have lovely mounds of flower on top for the butterflies. Very good garden plant. I also have a nice unusual salvia. So this is kind of like the lamb's ear in terms of salvia. So you can just see that lovely feathery and hairy type foliage. It's almost like cotton wool on top. It's actually very, very attractive, and this will have a nice flower spike over it when it goes to flower. Across the back here, a couple of tall ones, so I have a nice Lichnus. This is Petite Henri. So this is a white version of Lichnus Jenny that we've all seen last year, and this was found in a spurt of Jenny, and so this one, I have high hopes for this particular variety, and one to keep an eye on this year. Just because it's the time of the year for them, I've got still some nice Camasias. So you can just see these have started to open and are starting to form up the flower spike there. Again, nice, strong, sturdy plants, and I have a couple of these in the garden performing very, very well as garden plants. They're great grower, and multiple flowers year on year. Guys, I think I've touched nearly everything that's there that I've picked out just for this week. There's lots more after going on the list. Really, I can't show it all here. I mean, we'll be here for far too long. Thanks for taking the time to look at the video, first of all, and follow nice and easy on the Facebook. I mean, we're constantly putting up posts, taking some snaps of your benches and trying to encourage people into your garden centre. So please follow the brand, and we'll be posting up there regularly. So guys, thanks very much for taking time. Thank you.